Oh, a little noisy out there on the main road. Yeah, we gotta mow the lawn. This video is gonna be more it's a mixed video, but hearing some thunder out in the distance. It's Friday, the day that we did the garden video. We had that hurricane come up. And, we had a tornado touchdown about 10 miles away from, maybe a little bit, about 10-ish miles away from here. Here's some thunder out in the distance. I'm pretty sure that's thunder. The weed eater lawnmower, the green one, that you've seen in some of my previous videos. We did the coil swap, did a couple gas tank swap, with the carburetor swap. We did all that. Either something's coming in or it's leaving. Check that out. Right there. Pretty cool looking. Camera won't focus. But yeah, ran it. It did fine. No pitting, no putting, sputtering, none of that. The RPMs are a little high, so I think some crazy looking clouds over there. The next time I think I'm going to use it, I might work on getting the idle down. The whole trailer's still here. We're supposed to have, the owner was supposed to put a lock on it. The amusement park closed early yesterday and today, and we were going to go tonight. I think we didn't plan on that. And, other reason why we're coming out here, because, well, we was just over there in the shower, and I heard a weird noise. Hey, someone's here. I just thought maybe father-in-law was home from work, or he brought the roll back home, or someone just showed up. I hollered, had her come out and look, and she said a motorcyclist came over here. I'll be able to tell because I think I was the last one that drove through here recent. That's like right above that. I think I was, no, I didn't drive over here. I carried it. I do see tire marks. Or it may have been from, that's when the grass was cut. I don't see any tire marks, but she said a motorcyclist was over here. No, I don't have an update on the Murray yet. I still gotta run that. I was planning on mowing our lawn on Monday, but I got a bug just flew right in my. I got a viewing to go to. A family friend had passed away September 2nd on my father's birthday. The reason why I say family friend is, well, he's more than a family friend. He's basically has been there since the day I was born, so I haven't heard from him in probably 8 years. Probably 7 years. And I don't think come out and see if the shed survived the storm. Always bring the key when we come out here. Got my knife down there. The reason why I say bring the key, because, sometimes I'll come out here to do stuff and, I forgot the key. Well, bittersweet. I'll have to keep this short and sweet. I'm gonna have to get something and cut something weed whack in here. So, came in here to check stuff out. I'll undo my latch here. But yeah, we're all good. from the storm. Other reason why I'm filming is that way y'all can see what the shed looks like now. I found that gas can. Oh, I can show you my new gas can. If I haven't shown. There's the new gas can. I keep it covered. It sits on the workbench. I think we figured out why this won't run. I'm pretty positive that gas that was in that can's bad. Because I filled that up. I was going to run it. It won't start at all. Nothing. Not even a bloop. So, as of right now, that's running. Really want to get that running, but I'm going to have to get more gas now. Took the light down from up there. I don't know where oh, it's right there. That's supposed to go to my wife's grandmother's house. Just haven't done that. So like I said, I don't have no updates on anything. This thing performed really well. As you can see, I can fit my shoe down there. Got the wife's Crocs on. We need to kind of shorten this. Start heading back to the house. I don't see nothing ordinary out here. This thing may not be able to mow our grass next week, but it's going to have to do some of it. But I'm at least going to cut around, shorten the grass around the cars and that. Go ahead and sorry I didn't do a weekly video besides the garden video. Just got busy and really don't have any content at the moment. Oh man, that closed good this time. So I need to put something down there so the door doesn't go in. It like puts a stop. I mean, this floor is so rotted here. There's like nothing here. I did brace it as best as I could when we moved in over here. Wish I can look at radar. Put a light switch in because I was going to put a light outside. If we actually stayed in this trailer, I was going to run a circuit to the shed and oh great, now the door won't close. Picked a bad time to not want to close. Okay, gotta hurry up here. Start heading back up to the house. Yeah, no bad design, but it's what I got on a budget. Well, it wouldn't have been hard to run a circuit out here. I would have tied off. Start heading that way, I'll show you. There was a box on the pole that had 2 outlets in it. I could have just gotten rid of one and just had one and put a pigtail in it. Yeah, I do some electrical work. I can do a pigtail. We definitely got to get moving. Wasn't supposed to storm. Wasn't even supposed to do anything this afternoon. But yeah, I robbed the plugs. But see that? There's the box wire. It could have dug a trench from here, took the plug out, ran off of that, and ran, a little tiny sub panel in the shed. But start making my way back to the house. Well, let's take a peek in here. So pretty much the name of this video is going to be an update video on the blow? Why would you be blowing leaves? An update video on the weed eater. Come inside and inspect the place. Here's the black mold. Oh yeah. That's leaking for sure. Okay, well, I'm not going all the way that way. And I think it's leaking in here too somewhere. A lot of cobwebs and stuff. Well, okay. Don't look like no, I never finished training it. Because, well, we didn't end up not happening. Okay. Everything looks kosher here. But we kind of have to be OCD now. The storm is coming from that direction. I'm slowly making my way back up the house. Update on the white car. I was able to move it last week. Be a week. Monday was a week. Yeah, Monday's been a week. I was able to move it while mowing the lawn. I think it's starting to rain. There's a motorcyclist again. Usually we go out to the park Friday nights, but it's been pretty nice all day. It's the only branch I see that came down. Well, that storm's coming in that way. Usually we get them from that way. Fredericksburg, Virginia is that way, is from what I was told. It's coming from that way. I was born and raised in Fredericksburg. Well, I was born in Fredericksburg, but I was raised in Spotsylvania County, Virginia. That one was right up in there. That day on the Pontiac, I wasn't happy today. Boy, man, this grass, I may not even be able to use my Murray. Yeah, I'm taking a video, and you're in it.